for 5 3/4. So to go 3/4, I need to be 4 1/2 next time. Yep, 4 1/2. Yeah. Okay. So let's take it back up to 6 1/2. Yeah. 4 1/2. Oops. Four and a half should give me a 3/4 inch cut. So you can see she's nice and squared off now. I don't remember what they call that, but they do. There's a name for that when you get it all squared up. Can't? Something like that. I don't know. Hi, buddy. Okay, let's not get too close to here. Getting enough water on there or not. Can't say. All right, let's get these two off here. These are for Laura. We'll set them over here for now. So that was at 4 1/2. So the next one would be 3 3/4. Take it up a 1/4 inch and back it up. Okay, there's 3 3/4. One thing I'm doing is when I give it gas, I give it all of it. If you sit there and slowly give it gas, you're just slipping the clutch. You're tripping the clutch, and then you're asking for trouble then. Okay, so we're gonna go to 3 inches next time. So I'm gonna raise it up to 4. So we'll go up a whole inch. If I raise it up a 1/4 inch each time, then set a pattern to that, then I'll know that how far I've got to go back down. So now since I'll go down to an inch, will give me 3/4 inch cut. Yep. Okay. So I want to go down to 3 inches. Okay. Let's see what you got. Go down a 1/4 inch. That's, in my opinion, that's pretty wood. I know it's just jack pine, but I think it's pretty. Okay, are you still? Battery's still going. Amazing. Okay. Okay, so I got good on an inch. So I'm 3 1/4. so I want to be 2 1/4. Oops. A little latch thing. If you bump it, it latches. So 2 1/4. All right. I gotta watch it doesn't hit my clamp. Should be good. Okay, take her up 1/4. Now, am I going to miss that? Looks like it might just miss it, but I'm going to make it a little lower than that to make sure it misses it. That's not perfect, but I think it'll work. Yep, I'm pretty sure I got my inch. Okay, go an inch, so I want to go 1 1/2. All right, that should be the last cut on this one. All right, I'm liking what I'm seeing. So this one's a little too thick. I wonder how thick it is. Let's see. I'd say about an inch. A little less than an inch. 7/8 of an inch, would you say? I'm not sure how this is focusing, so. Would you say about 7/8 of an inch? I would. All right. Okay. This is number 2. Okay, there's one up there. Oh, let's see if I can get the other one up there. Don't fall on my head. Okay. It's hard work here, but I've got a bolt winch. I'm kind of reluctant to hook it up to the track like I've seen some guys do. Something's getting slippery. Okay, let's see here. Worked over there. Okay. Interesting. I didn't get it centered here. I didn't think that would be all that important, but I'm kind of thinking now I might have been wrong. Okay, let's get it evened up. So the log's kind of slickery. I thought that was going to be easier than that. And so it's sliding back down. But these are my kind of my safety stops here. And the other safety stop's my knee. This seems to be working pretty good. Looks like this is just barely going to go on there without hitting the sawmill. But then I could be wrong. Okay. Now what I did do, though, or didn't do, I need to put my longer stops up here. Because we don't want it rolling off, do we? Okay. I think we're trying to teach an old dog new tricks. And you know what they say about that. That's not true, though. You can teach an old dog new tricks. Just seems like you can't. All right, look at that. Woo-hoo. I didn't know if these were shorter ones were going to work because before I used a longer one. But It worked. So we're all loaded up here. All right. So I am going to go get a battery for the other camera. Boy, she starts up nice. Give her just a minute to warm up. See what we got. Take it up a half an inch. Yeah, it's looking good. I know, Cherish. Papa doing this stuff scares you, doesn't it? Ooh, look at that. So, I wonder if that messed things up. Then my camera slipped, so it may not have been getting the picture I wanted to get. So we're going to try her one more time with that perspective. Okay, well, cut up 2 logs and really made a mess here. Look at all that sawdust. That's from 2 logs. But next I've got to clean the sawmill up, and it's hot enough. I think I've had enough for the day. While I'm thinking about it, I want to thank you all for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe. So if you like the sawmill stuff, let me know. I'll do more of that, and any part of this, any different shots, I can do the different shots if you'd like. Just let me know. So again, thanks for watching. God bless. Not done yet, just so you know.